What's new in February 2023? As of the release of version 45, you don't need an RSECTION license anymore to use the imported cross-sections in RFEM and RSTAB. When saving a cross-section in RSECTION, the required license is included in the cross-section itself. With your own value and color assignments, you can now compare the results even better. The colors remain the same even if the results change. In this case, exceeded stresses are always displayed in pink. Our Webservice libraries are available free of charge at github.com. Last month, Python functions for RSECTION and new JavaScript codes for result combinations and imperfections were added. A direct interface from Autodesk Revit 2023 to RFEM 6 is available as of the version 49. All settings can be done in the Revit interface. The data exchange required for BIM is also possible with Revit 2023. In contrast to RFEM 5, the smooth color transitions in RFEM 6 are now controlled in the Results Navigator. You can also activate the smooth transitions for gray areas. In RFEM 6, the gray areas are defined as areas around the value 0. As always, all planned and implemented features are listed in the extranet.